Question 8. Given that a square b plus 2a minus 3b equals to 0. Find the value of b when a equals to -1. Okay, so this is a substitution question. So at first you know that all this expression is equals to 0. Then at first you don't know what is a, what is b. But then after that they tell you find the value of b when a equals to -1. Meaning now you know what is a already. So we have to substitute what is the value of a into this equation. And substitution always only replace what you are substituting. So here we are substituting the value of a. Everything else don't change. Okay, a squared, replace a by a bracket -1. So a squared will become this bracket squared. B don't change. Plus don't change. 2a become 2, replace a by a bracket -1. Minus no change, 3 no change, b no change. Equal no change, 0 no change. We only change a because we now know a is -1. -1 whole thing squared. -1 multiplied by -1. So -1 times -1 is +1. +1 times b is b. Plus 2 times -1. Positive times negative become negative. 2 times 1 is 2. Minus another 3b equals to 0. b minus 3b, from 1 I take away 3, I will have left with -2b. Minus 2 equals to 0. Group the like terms. So this term got b, this term got b, we put them together, become -2b. -2 is still -2. Now I want to find what is b. So I want to move everything else, every number that don't have b to the other side. I need to add 2 to both sides. -2 add 2, no more number here. Add 2 on the right hand side, so -2 go to the right, become +2. I want 1b, I don't want -2b, I divide both sides by -2. So b equals to 2 divided by -2, -1. Positive divided by negative equals to negative. 2 divided by 2 is -1. Okay? Part B. Solve. -3 times this bracket plus 2y equals to 5y minus 9. When we look at this equation, the only unknown is y. Nothing, no other alphabet already. So to solve this equation means we want to find what is the value of y that will make the left hand side equals to right hand side. And to find that, we will have to do step until we can put y on one side and put all our numbers on the other side. Okay, that is our endpoint. So in between, there is a y inside the bracket. So we must first free out the y. We don't want the y to be with a number. Okay, we only want y. All the y on one side, all the numbers on one side. So if we expand -3 multiply y is -3y. -3 times -4, negative times negative, positive. 3 times 4, 12. Plus 2y equals to 5y minus 9. Any chance that we have, we try to simplify. So -3y, we simplify by grouping the like terms. -3y plus 2y still -y. Plus 12 equals to 5y minus 9. We can put all the y on this side, we can also put all the y on this side. If we put all the y on this side, we put all the numbers on the other side. If we put the y on this side, we put the number on the other side. Then when I look at y is negative on my left and positive on my right. As much as possible, I would prefer to work with positive numbers. So here is negative y. If I want to put all the y on right hand side, I need to add y. Negative y, add y, become no more y. So I want to add y on left hand side, I need to add y on right hand side. So after moving the y over, I add y to both sides. So this one disappear, 5y, add y becomes 6y. I don't want the negative 9 to be on this side, I want all the numbers on the left hand side. So to get rid of negative 9, I need to add 9. Negative 9 add 9 becomes 0, no more numbers here. So I want to add 9 on the right hand side, I need to also add 9 on the left hand side. So 12 plus 9 equals to 21. 6y is 21. Each y will be 6y divided by 6, 21 divided by 6. So y is equals to 21 over 6. Question 9. Okay, question 9 will not be tested this year, so we skip. Question 10. Consider the sequence 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. Write down an expression in terms of n for the n term of the sequence. Okay, if you cannot write down the expression, we can always break it down. This is the first term, this is the second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So let us write down. First term is 1. Second term is 5. Third term is 9. Okay? Fourth term, fifth term. We just take a look at these 3 terms first. Terms 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 9. Then we should be able to see the pattern. Every number, when we move on, adds 4, adds 4, adds 4. So at first is 1, term 2 is actually equals to 1 plus 4. Term 3 is equals to 1 plus 4 plus another 4. So when we write it in this manner, we start to see a pattern. So term 1 is 1, term 2 is 1 plus 4, term 3 is 1 plus 2 times of 4. If we continue, T4 equals to 13 equals to 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, it will be equals to 1 plus 3 times of 4. So here term in the left hand side, terms is increasing 1, 2, 3. And then right hand side, we also have this increasing number come out already. 1 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. When here is 1, here is 0. When here is 2, here is 1, 4. When here is 3, here is 2, 4. When here is 4, here is 3, 4. Meaning, if I have n, I will have 1 plus